Hey fellow travelers, come spend a full day with us in Amber Cove. If your next cruise is headed to this port, you are in for a treat. This is one of the best stops where you don't even have to worry about booking an excursion because there is so much fun to do in this amazing port. If we haven't met yet, we are into Paradise We Travel, where we love sharing all of our fun travel adventures with you in hopes we can help you make awesome travel memories too. There are so many ways you can spend your day here, but here are some of our favorites. Number 1, hang out at Coco Cana Pool Lounge. We absolutely love this pool with its lazy river style pool, swim up bar, music, and free lounge chairs. There is also a section for the kiddos tucked away in the back, close to the restrooms and not right underneath all of the music. You can order food and drinks here from the super attentive staff. As we said, the blue chairs are all free for use. You can even rent from the VIP section, which includes floats for the day, a semi-private area for lounging, and dedicated waiters. If you choose to purchase VIP tickets, you can get them while in port from one of the waiters. At the time we went, we paid $90 for 3 chairs and an umbrella. Number 2, zip lines and slides for kids of all ages. When we visited, you could buy a ziplining pass for $25 for all-day use. This also included using the slides. You can also purchase tickets just for the slides, there are 2 of them, for around $10 per person for all-day use. The zip line is super fun because you'll sail right over the port. Number 3, Amber Cove Sky Bar. We feel like this lookout point and bar goes completely missed. There are lots of steps to traverse to get to the top, so if you have mobility issues, it might be a little bit of a challenge, but the views from the top are so worth it. You can sit up here, grab a drink, and get some amazing photo ops. Number 4, shopping. There is some great shopping in this port. We always try to save a little bit of time at the end of the day to grab some souvenirs. There is a lot of your typical port shopping here, but there's also some great local vendors selling shirts and trinkets for under $25. Number 5, where to eat. If you're spending the day at the pool, you can order from Coco Cana Pool Lounge. They have things like hamburgers and quesadillas, your typical quick grab-and-go lunch. But if you have time and want something a little more traditional, stop by the Coco Cana restaurant. It is located at the far end of the shopping in the port, right before you get to the iconic Amber Cove photo stop. We had a delicious lunch with spectacular views here. Number 6, go exploring. There is so much to see here if you don't mind wandering around. You can grab an iced coffee or a drink to go and simply check out all this beautiful port has to offer. A couple of quick tips. It rains here often but doesn't stay for long, so don't let the rain scare you away. You can wait it out at one of the restaurants or just bring a raincoat. There is a little bit of a walk from the ship to the port entrance, but you can pay these guys to load you up and take you right to the entrance. If you've been to this port and had as much fun as we did, make sure to let us know in the comments. If there was something we missed, we'd love to hear about it so we can explore it next time we visit. As always, thanks for joining us on another fun travel day. Until next time, safe travels, friends.